In today's video, we'll be looking at the 10 best foods to try in Bangladesh part 3. Welcome back to FTD Facts. I'm Sarah Carvalho, and today we're going to be talking about some of the best foods to try in Bangladesh part 3. Now keep in mind, we also have a part 1 and part 2 video of the best foods to try in Bangladesh series, so make sure to check those out on our channel too. Traditional authentic Bangladeshi cuisine is made up of a diverse range of delicious spices, herbs, rice, fish, meats, and bread. If you're not familiar with Bangladeshi food, you're in for a treat. Just please excuse my pronunciation if I make any mistakes. All right, starting us off at number 10 today, we have Samosa and Shingara. Samosa are triangular shaped and deep fried pastries filled with different combinations of spiced potatoes, onions, peas, cheese, beef, and lentils. They are served with chutney, salad, or green chili. This tasty treat is commonly found in street stalls across India and Bangladesh. Shingara are made with a different kind of dough. They're flakier and crumblier. Moving on to Rasmalai. Rasmalai is a sweet dessert. It originated throughout the regions of India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, and Afghanistan. Rasmalai consists of flattened balls of chana soaked in malai or clotted cream with saffron, pistachios, and kheer. The taste is sweet, creamy, and spongy. I have had these myself and they are absolutely delicious. Up at number 8, we have a dessert called Chom Chom. Chom Chom is a traditional sweet from Bangladesh consisting of homemade cottage cheese called chana that is cooked in sugar syrup. It is often flavored with lemon juice and cardamom powder. The sweet treat can be served in a few different varieties with chopped nuts, malai cream, or grated coconut. I have also had the pleasure of trying these and they are to die for. Up next, we have Chakpote. This traditional Bengali dish consists of chickpeas and diced potatoes that are served in a tamarind-based sauce. Typical additions also include onions, boiled eggs, sliced green chili peppers, and fresh mint or cilantro, while the sauce is usually spiced with cumin and chili powder. The whole dish is occasionally topped with cucumbers, boiled eggs, as well as crackers or crumbled puri or fuchka, fried bread shells. Chakpote is popular in Bangladesh and West Bengal, and it is typically associated with special occasions such as Eid, though it is also a favorite everyday snack and a common street food dish. And up at number 6, we have a dish called Buguni. Buguni is a simple dish consisting of deep fried eggplant slices. The variations may include dipping the slices in batter or coating them with various combinations of gram flour and spices such as turmeric, chili powder, and cumin. Buguni is a Bengali dish eaten both in Bangladesh and India. It is served with a yogurt-based sauce or chutney on the side, and it is usually enjoyed as a snack or a street food. A similar dish is known as bagun bhaji, but the slices are mostly vertical and are rarely dipped in batter. And up at number 5, the halfway point in today's video, we have Chamai. Chamai is a traditional dessert in Bangladesh. This dessert symbolizes happy moments in the family, in society, or any occasion. It is a sweet dessert made from milk, ghee, sugar, roasted vermicelli noodles, and various assortments of nuts and spices. Although Chamai is popular in Bangladesh, it is not a restaurant or street food. It is generally seen as a dish made at home for the family to enjoy. So you might need to go really local to try this one. Next, we have jalmuri. Jalmuri is made with muri, which is a puffed rice, and chanachur along with onion, chili, mustard oil, many types of masala, and salad. All the ingredients are put in one pot and shaken to mix them together. This spicy food has a magical taste and you can feel the masala as you pop it in your mouth. Next up, we have Panta Ilish. Panta Ilish is a dish from Bangladesh that combines a bowl of panta bhat, cooked and soaked rice, with fried Ilish fish. The combination is traditionally enjoyed in urban areas. The fish is usually generously seasoned with turmeric, chili powder, and other spices, and the dish is typically topped with fresh chili peppers, onions, and borta, which is a traditional vegetable or fish mash that is usually served as a side dish. Up at number 2, we have a dish called Pita. Pita are rice cakes that are made sweet or savory and with several types of rice and then soaked in milk and topped with sugar, date palm syrup, jaggery, or molasses. The rice cakes can be steamed, fried, or made in other ways. It is a typical Bangladeshi food eaten at the beginning of winter when the rice harvest ends, and they are found all across the country. There are many varieties of traditional sweet pita, including Vapa pita, Puli pita, Pagan pita, and more. And actually making them requires quite the skill. So definitely make sure to try those. And all the way down at number 1 today, we have a dish called Kala Buna, a great combination of beef, onion, and plenty of spices such as ginger, garlic, chili, and cumin go through a long process of deep frying to give this dish its dark color. As in its name, Kala Buna means black deep fry. It is a traditional food that originated in the east-south of Bangladesh and became very popular all over the country due to its masala taste. This heavy black dish is served with roti, plain rice, and pulao. It is considered a delicacy and is served at weddings, Eid, Mizban, Sehri, and Iftar. All right, friends, this brings us to the end of today's video on the 10 best foods to try in Bangladesh part 3. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out our videos for part 1 and part 2 of the best foods to try in Bangladesh series. Let me know in the comments below, what is your absolute favorite Bangladeshi meal, snack, drink, or dessert? As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to show us your love, and check me out on social media to see what I'm up to when I'm not in front of the camera. And we'll catch you right here next time for more facts. See ya!